is upside, there is upside, there is downside. Okay, so downside means the negative part, upside means the positive part. Okay, so if I say
Okay.
what's the upside of being a seafarer, you're telling me the positive things. All right, but if I say what's the
About seafarer.
downside, you're talking about people.
Okay.
Yeah,
About seafarer. Seafarer is
yeah, yeah. Tell me two
honestly when I
negatives,
talk about seafarers.
two
I feel you.
downsides, and two upsides.
Okay, I'm talking about upsides of the seafarer
Okay,
right now.
okay.
It's good. Actually, it's good. Have a good meat. Uh, have a good life in life, especially based on trip. You got you got to see uh, so many places in case of this job. Uh, Anything's good. This is the upside.
Okay. There's
The
the
downside
upside.
is the
Very good.
downside. You just on board for for 5 months in a row. That's the downside. You,
You said Earth, right?
yes, Earth. That mean land. I want to say land.
Yeah, you said Earth earlier.
That the downside. Yes.
Okay.
I
Okay.
like you,
Right.
Bazi. I want to
Thank you
appreciate
very
you.
much. I appreciate it, man. I appreciate it, man.
You
Earth,
teach so
man.
much. You're the best.
I got you. I got you, man. Thank you. Earth, man. Ground,
You deserve.
globe. I got you. I got you. Okay. So what's the problem with your English right now? Do you think you have shortage on vocabulary, grammar? Where is your problem?
I'm not a fluent talker. I just I just talk like a native talker, like but I'm not perfect.
Yeah, that's your ambition. But right now, what's your problem? What do you think is the biggest problem you have? I'm gonna give you options. Is it
My
grammar?
big
Is it
problem,
vocabulary? Is it pronunciation?
okay, not grammars. I'm a literate. Yes, I'm an educated person. Firstly, I'm a literate. That means I know the grammars, I know the tenses. Uh, my my great, just in speaking, especially like speak like fluent. Like I want to be speak like fluent,
I
but I
understand what you
can't.
mean, Ezra.
I'm trying.
Ezra,
I'm
check
trying.
this. Yeah, yeah. But speaking, a lot of things constitutes to speaking. Like it's a collection of many things. Speaking is the collection of many things, right? Your
Yes, sir.
words, your
Yes, sir.
grammar, your pronunciation. So all these things come together. So you can't tell me that, oh, I'm not good at speaking. What's stopping you from speaking properly and fast? What's stopping you?
Nothing. Just maybe the absence of words. Sometimes,
Okay.
yeah,
All right. You don't have enough vocabulary, right?
yeah,
Okay.
vocabulary,
I got you.
maybe.
I got you. I got you. I got you. Okay. I mean, if I have to rate you out of 10, first let's talk about his score and we can go ahead and give him some suggestions, guys. So, what score would you guys give him out of 10? Since and then 10. What score would you give for yourself?
Okay, I meet native speakers. I meet native people in my life in case of my job. Yeah, I got I got Filipinos. I got Americans. I got Chinese. I got so many people around the world. Yeah, but especially British ones.
Bro, why are you beating
Especially.
around the bush? I just asked you a different question. I said, what's. I just asked you one question, but you're beating around the bush.
Yes, I got you. I got you. Just I feel you, brother.
You
I just
mentioned
talk.
you mentioned all the countries in the world.
I mentioned a
Filipinos,
bunch. I mentioned my mistakes, my errors.
all right, okay, okay. All right, okay, but you don't have to really, like you don't have to make it this long. Okay, you can go,
Okay.
but make sure you come back to the point real quick. Let's go.
Okay. Okay. What's your question? Can you get it? Can you repeat it?
Oh my goodness! So you've been giving me all
Sorry.
this answer without even hearing my question.
No. You just asked me like I give it to you. The
What?
person from out of 10. You asked
Yeah,
me how you
that's
give
what I
to
asked.
yourself from out of 10.
Yeah. I said, what would you rank yourself out of 10? If I ask you to rate yourself, honestly, yeah, let's go.
From 10?
Yeah,
7 is enough.
7.
Yeah. I got that. Those risks left for the future. I just practicing. I just learning myself day to day. I'm trying. I had it. I know I have it for the future. But that's why I'm appreciating you. Really. You're just teaching us. Really.
Okay. What about you guys? Okay, why would you rate them, guys? አንተ ስንሰጠከው እኮ እሱን ያ መጀመሪያ እናንተ ስሰጣችሁት ስንሰጣችሁት እና ከራሳችሁ ጋርም ያወዳደራችሁት። ኦኬ እሱን በማየት ከዛ ትቀምጣላችሁ። 3.5 አለ፣ 4 አለ፣ 4 አለ፣ 5 ከ10 አለ፣ 10 አለ፣ 5 አለ፣ 7 አለ። Ooh, it's getting hard, bro. 88 አለ። Okay. All right. እሺ ቶቱ ለምጠይቅ ነገር ትመልስልኛለህ። እኔ እስካሁን ድረስ ባየሁትኝ I'd give you 5. You don't have consistency. No? Like, your English is hit and miss.
Thanks.
Your English is hit and miss. Okay? Hit and miss. It means, yeah, hit and miss. Okay, this is one thing that you have to work on. By the way, በጣም ብዙዎቻችሁ መስራት የሚኖርባችሁ ወደፊት ኤክስፕሬሽኖች ናቸው። ኤክስፕሬሽኖች በጣም ብዙ አሉ። እስካሁን ቅድም ሳወራ የነበሩት ኤክስፕሬሽኖች አሉ። ሳላውቀው ራሱ የሚመጡት ማለት ነው። እስኪ ዙሪያ ጥምጥማት ይበለኝ እስኪ።
ዙሪያ ጥምጥማት don't fuck around?
ያለው እንደሱ ደግሞ ያ ትርጉም ነው። don't fuck around ማለት አትጃጃል ይሆን አትብሳት፣ ዝም ብለህ ነገር አታርግ ማለት ነው። ዙሪያ ጥምጥማት
ዙሪያ ጥምጥማት don't go around? Am I correct?
Yeah, don't go around the bush. Don't go around the bush. Bush, do you know what bush is? Bush masala. Okay, think of this, all right? There is a guy and he wants to cut a tree. አንድ ሰው ያለ ዛፍ መቁረጥ ፈልጓል እና ዛፉ ዙሪያ ቁጥቋጦዎች አሉ። So if he clears one path እዚህ ጋር ቢያጸዳት ገብቶ መቁረጥ ይቻላል። ግን እሱ ዝም ብለው ሙሉን ካልቆረጥኩኝ ያለ ቁጥቋጦዎቹ ነው። ቁጥቋጦ ምንድን ነው?
ቁጥቋጦ ማለት ፍሎራ ነው፣ ፋና ምናምን የምንላቸው።
አሁን ነገርኩህ። ቁጥቋጦ ቡሽ ነው ያልኩሽ።
ቡሽ okay.
Yeah, listen to me, man. I got you. Listen to me. Forget everyone, okay? ገብቶሃል? ስለዚህ በቃ ቁጥቋጦ ስትለኝ don't go around the bush, say it again.
Okay. Don't go around bush.
Very good. Don't go around the bush. I think you have a lot of African American influence on you, but that's okay. Like, this is something that everyone gets exposed to. So what I want to tell you is your English lacks consistency. It's hit and miss. It's hit and miss ማለት አንዲት መተዋለ አንዲት ስተዋለ ማለት consistency ትንሽ የለውም። ተካክሎ የሚመጣ ማለት ነው። You're free. በጣም ታወራለህ የምታወራው ወይ nervous ቶክነት ነው ወይስ ምናምን I don't know, but consistency የለውም። So እስኪ ይህችን ብቻ ነው የምጠይቅህ። የእረፍት ጊዜ እንዴት እንደምታሳልፍ ቶሎ ንገረኝ። እንደዚህ ያደርጋለሁ ያልክ ንገረኝ። Let's go.
Playing football, watching TV, go to cinema.
አረጋለሁ ነዋ። እነሳለሁ፣ ኳስ ጮታለሁ፣ አረጋለሁ ያልክ ቀጥለኝ።
I play football. I go to cinema.
Okay.
I watch TVs. I watch movies.
All right. I watch TV ሳልከኛ ስንት ቴሌቪዥን ነው የምታየው?
I watch TV. Apostrophe ስናት
I watch TV. በቃ ምንም አያስፈልገውም። ኤስ አያስፈልገውም፣ ምንም አያስፈልገውም። If you say apostrophe
ብዛት just ኤስ apostrophe ምንለው ነው። apostrophe ምንለው ብዛትን
apostrophe s የሚያሳይክ ባለቤትነት ነው። ለምሳሌ የእህቴ ባል ብል ማይ ሲስተርስ ሃዝበንድ እላለሁ። ኦኬ ሶ እሷም የእህቴ የሚለውን ለማሳየት ቲቪ ስትለኝ ብዙ ቴሌቪዥን ነው የምታየው። እሺ ለማንኛውም ቴሌቪዥን ያለው ነው። እንቀጥል።
I watch TV. I like to swim, especially as a seafarer. You have to swim. You
like don't get too nervous. Don't get too nervous. It's okay. እና አንዴ ከወጣ ይውጣ፣ ችግር የለውም። በቃ ይውጣ፣ እሱ ይስተካከልሻል። Don't get too nervous. Okay? እንቀጥል።
I want to correct my word. Okay.
Hi guys. አንዴ ከወጣ እንዳቀይረው። እሺ go with your guts. All right. Okay, let's go. And then what?
I like travels. I want just have a trip.
I like to travel.
Yeah, I like to travel.
All right, that's enough. Okay, keep going.
Yeah, those are.
Okay, very good. Those are my hobbies. Perfect, beautiful. You see, like now you got this, but one sentence ago you didn't get it right. So just sit down and say, okay, how can I speak properly without messing up? And keep going straight.
I want to talk properly without missing.
Yeah, but the way you do that, if you see one structure, bro, like, what do you do on weekends? Well, I don't do much. I wake up, so I watch TV, I go swimming, after that, and then and structure is the rest should be easy because you just gotta follow the same structure. ትመልስልኛለህ። Okay? Good. እኔ የምኖረው ምድር ላይ ነው በለኝ።
I live in Earth.
Good. እስኪ በለው።
I live in Earth.
Huh?
I live in Earth. Or I live in land.
No, you don't live. I live on.
Like, I live on Earth.
Ears ሳይሆን earth. Can you say earth?
Earth. No. Okay. Earth.
Say it again.
Pronunciation. Okay. I live in Earth.
I live
on Earth.
Very good.
Yes.
Nice. Say it again.
I live on Earth.
Very good. አባቴ ትልቅ መሬት አለው በለኝ።
My father have a big land.
Very good. Correct? You're right. Say it again.
My father have a big land.
My father have ነው የምትለው ወይስ has ነው የምትለው?
had ነው አለው ኦልሬዲ ስላለው had ነው የምንጠቀመው።
hadማ ነበረው ነው።
ኦኬ ነበረው ነው አጋሽ
አለው።
father have
አይደለም።
My father have
አይደለም።
So what?
Okay. Has.
Allolam.
Has.
Okay, my father has.
Yeah. Quite nice. መኪና አለኝ በለኝ።
I have a car.
Good. Nice. እሱ መኪና አለው በለኝ።
He has a car. He have a car. Oh, he has a car. He has a car.
Nice. He, she, it ካልክ has ነው የምትጠቀመው። That's it. Okay?
Okay.
Nice. መኪና አለኝ በለኝ።
I have a car.
መኪና አለው በለኝ።
He has a car.
መኪና ነበረኝ በለኝ።
I had a car.
Good. Nice. መኪና ነበረው እሱ በለኝ።
He had a car.
መኪና የለውም በለኝ።
He hasn't a car.
No.
He has no car. A car.
ይሄን ራሱ በደንብ
He haven't a car.
No.
Okay.
No. መኪና የለኝም በለኝ።
I haven't car.
ጊዜ የለኝም በለኝ።
I have no time.
ገርልፍሬንድ የለኝም በለኝ።
I don't have girlfriend.
ስለዚህ ገርልፍሬንድ ብቻ ሲሆን ይለያል ማለት ነው።
Okay, he don't have a car. I got you. He don't have a car.
የለኝም ነው
He don't have a car.
girlfriend አይለኝም። ኦኬ ኤኒዌይስ አሁን ያለብህን ጋፕ ለማሳየት የሞከርኩኝ ነው። ኦኬ ሶ
Okay, thank you.
አሪፍ ነው። አክሰንት ላይ ምናምን ፎከስ ታደርጋለህ ምናምን አሪፍ ነው። ግን መጀመሪያ አወቃቀራቸውን በደንብ ጥርት አድርገህ ብታውቃቸው አሪፍ ነው። ጎን ለጎን ማስኬድ የሚቻላል ችግር ነው። I do not have ይላሉ። I don't have ብለህ እዛው አክሰንቷንም ስትራክቸሯንም ጽድት አድርገህ ብታውቃት አሪፍ ነው። You're cool. You're right. Like አሁን ቅድም የነገርከኝ ነገሮች honestly ነው የምነግርህ as brother ቅድም የነገርከኝ አሁን ይኸውልህ እንደዚህ አታርግ ስለ ጊዜ ምናምን ስለ don't fuck around ምናምን አልከኝ ማለት በጣም አፍሪካን አሜሪካን ኮንተንት ኮንሱም ታደርጋለህ ማለት ነው። እዛ ጋር ነው ነገር ስታውቃቸው እንደዚህ I know when you speak like that you feel cool. When you feel like that you feel cool ግን በደንብ እስኪ ቆይ እንዴ አለው ማለት ከበደኝ እንዴት ልና እሺ ችግር የለውም አለኝ አላት የላትም ይኖረዋል አለው እንዴ ጥያቄው ምኑ ብታየው አሪፍ ነው። so basic grammar structure ብለህ ሌላ ሰው ጋር ለምን ነው የምታየው? የኔ ቪዲዮዎች ብቻ ገብተህ ዩቲዩብ ላይ በሉ እንደዚህ በሉ እንደዛ በሉ ያልኩህ ልክ አሁን
ቪዲዮዎችን አለ
ቀጥቅጥ ኖት እያስኬው ምናምን ያው እዚህ ማለት ቁጭ ላልናል እንዴ እንኳን እንደሱ አይለምና እና ካለበት ቦታ ደግሞ I think እድገትም ምንም ያመጣልህ if you invest on yourself ነው። so let's TikTok more working on yourself. All right my man.
All right.
You're a cool man. I really like talking to you. It was a very productive conversation. Kamedu befit guys. Give him some flowers, and if you want to ask him anything, you can ask him. Hamza nam wallet asr already, guys. Come on. Definitely,